Hello plant lovers. So today we are at Mr. Girish place. Today we had to do all the things related to maintenance. So we had to rearrange the pots, we had to get in new metallic stands, and we had to drip irrigate and maintain all these plants at his place. Come, let's ask Mr. Girish how he felt and what is the inputs for us, sir.
Hi Sujit and hi Biotechmaali. See, whatever you have done, they're really great. You have introduced discipline in keeping all the pots. That I liked it. And only thing I was expecting is if you can drive all these things using solar power, please include all the drip irrigation along with the solar powered system. So that will be really great for all the customers. You people are also coming and taking care of that. I'm extremely happy about it. Myself and my family, everybody, they're very happy about it.
Thanks a lot for giving us the opportunity, and yeah, this was a great learning for us coming and doing this terrace especially. And as he suggested, we'll start working on implementing solar powers for drip irrigation. We are working on it, and if you also want to get maintained your terrace garden or want to set up your terrace garden, then don't forget to reach out to us. We'll be helping you out, and for more such content, don't forget to follow Biotechmaali. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much.